An agricultural road along the coast behind the dike in Furwort, Netherlands, required quick, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly rehabilitation. Cold in-situ recycling combines granulation, mixing with foamed bitumen, and paving in a seamless, efficient, and eco-friendly process. Pre-milling to a depth of 1.0 meters by the Wertgen W105 prepares a uniform base for efficient recycling. The project utilized the cold in-situ recycling method, which recycles reclaimed material on-site, reducing emissions and material transport costs. Taking up the milled and pre-placed material and binding agent. The Wertgen W240 granulates reclaimed material and mixes it with foamed bitumen, creating a durable, high-quality asphalt mix. Transfer of the asphalt mix from the Wertgen W240 to the paver. Paving speed of up to 6 meters per minute. Paving to a width of 3.1 meters with an AB 500 TV extending screed. Crown paving with a 2% cross slope ensures effective water drainage. The Schaefer Technic OB Vario 4300 chipping spreader and surface dressing machinery is designed to meet modern construction site demands with cutting-edge technology. Tailored for practicality, this machine sets a high benchmark for delivering superior quality in surface dressing applications. The OB Vario 4300 is built for versatility and efficiency, capable of handling various binding agents and high-quality chipping types. It delivers high area coverage while adhering to strict quality standards, making it ideal for road networks, including national highways, local roads, urban streets, and industrial routes. A standout feature of the OB Vario is its self-loading mechanism, which allows the chipping bunker to be loaded directly from a truck tipper at the construction site. This ensures the machine stays operational at the worksite, maximizing daily output. The machine uses sensor-controlled automatic dosing to apply binding agents and chippings uniformly across the working width. This precision reduces the amount of loose chippings and minimizes traffic disruption, ensuring efficient resource utilization and time savings. Chassis, 3-axle trailer working width, up to 4,300 millimeters daily output, over 30,000 square meters working speed, up to 80 meters per minute binding agent tank, approximately 12,000 liters with thermal oil heating and ADR compliance, spray temperature, up to 200 degrees Celsius chipping container capacity, 16,000 liter additional features, quick loading, high pressure cleaner, and flow meter advanced control and ergonomics. The OB Vario is equipped with a touch control system that includes automatic dosing, construction site organization, and process data acquisition. It also offers repair track control through a patch program and supports data transfer via USB or cloud services. With these features, the OB Vario 4300 delivers exceptional efficiency, ergonomic operation, and maximum traffic safety, making it an essential solution for high-quality surface dressing. Chemnabau Scania machines for hot asphalt crack filling are specifically designed for the efficient and precise repair of cracks in asphalt surfaces. These machines are essential for maintaining the integrity of roadways by preventing further damage caused by water infiltration and the expansion of cracks. The hot asphalt crack filling process involves using a heated mixture of asphalt and filler material to seal cracks, which helps extend the lifespan of the pavement. The Chemnabau Scania machines are built on robust Scania truck chassis, ensuring durability and reliability on the job site. They are equipped with state-of-the-art technology that allows for quick heating and application of the crack-filling material. The high-efficiency heating system ensures that the asphalt mixture reaches the optimal temperature for application, typically up to 200 degrees Celsius. The heated material is applied directly into the cracks using a specialized nozzle, ensuring complete coverage and an airtight seal. Microsurfacing machines are specialized equipment designed to apply a thin, protective layer of asphalt emulsion mixed with fine aggregates, water, and chemical additives. This process, called microsurfacing, restores road surface quality, improves skid resistance, and extends the pavement's lifespan without requiring complete reconstruction. Microsurfacing is a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution for maintaining and rehabilitating roads, parking lots, and other paved surfaces. Microsurfacing machines are equipped with a state-of-the-art mixing system that ensures precise blending of materials on site, allowing for real-time adjustments to match specific project requirements. The machines typically feature a large aggregate hopper, emulsion tank, water tank, and an additive dosing system, all working together to deliver a consistent and high-quality mixture. The advanced application mechanism enables an even spread of the mixture across the pavement, with a working width adjustable for different road sizes. The machines can operate at variable speeds, making them suitable for a wide range of surface types, from highways to urban streets. The blow patcher is a highly efficient machine designed for repairing potholes and road surface defects using a spray injection patching technique. It combines compressed air, emulsion, and aggregates to create durable patches without requiring extensive groundwork. This self-contained system first cleans the damaged area using high-pressure air, then applies a binding emulsion, and finally fills the area with an aggregate mixture, all in one seamless process. The result is a cost-effective, fast, and durable repair. Blow patchers are ideal for year-round use, even in wet or cold conditions, and their ease of operation and minimal traffic disruption make them a go-to solution for road maintenance. The process begins by cleaning the surface thoroughly with a broom to ensure optimal adhesion of Plasti-Root roll grip. Sharp edges and straight lines are marked using chalk lines and tape for precision. Plasti-Root roll grip, a cold plastic containing anti-skid aggregates for high friction, requires proper mixing of its two components. The accelerator provided with the material is added and stirred thoroughly to ensure uniform consistency. Once the material is ready, it is poured directly onto the surface and evenly spread with a paint roller. While the material is still wet, the tape is removed to create clean edges. For multicolored applications, the process is repeated with different colors of Plasti-Root roll grip, ensuring distinct and precise markings. Next, preformed thermoplastic road markings are applied on top of the dried Plasti-Root roll grip layer. These preformed rolls are flexible and can be cut and adapted to fit specific designs or requirements, such as lines, symbols, or customized markings. The rolls are gently heated using a gas burner, taking care to avoid discoloration of the cold plastic underneath. The combination of Plasti-Root roll grip and pre-mark provides several benefits. The high-friction properties of Plasti-Root roll grip enhance safety by preventing slips and skids, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. Meanwhile, pre-mark ensures clear and long-lasting markings with minimal effort. Together, they transform otherwise dull surfaces into vibrant and functional spaces. Eccles Paving, a leading asphalt paving and maintenance contractor in Utah, provides comprehensive services to ensure the longevity and aesthetics of asphalt surfaces. Among its specialties are crack sealing, seal coating, and striping, all crucial components in asphalt maintenance. Crack sealing is the first line of defense against pavement deterioration. Cracks naturally form due to weather fluctuations and traffic wear, allowing water to seep into the subbase. Eccles Paving expertly cleans the cracks and applies high-quality sealants, preventing moisture infiltration and extending the lifespan of the pavement. Seal coating enhances durability and revitalizes asphalt surfaces. By applying a protective layer of sealant, Eccles Paving shields the pavement from damaging UV rays, oil spills, and weather-induced wear. Seal coating not only improves the appearance with a smooth, dark finish, but also reduces oxidation, preserving the asphalt's structural integrity. Striping is the finishing touch, critical for both functionality and safety. Clear, precise markings are essential for proper traffic flow, parking alignment, and ADA compliance.
Asphalt is a commonly used material for constructing roads, parking lots, and other surfaces. Over time, however, it can begin to deteriorate due to factors such as weathering, heavy traffic, and settling. Over time, however, it can begin to deteriorate due to factors such as weathering, heavy traffic, and settling. When this happens, it's important to repair the damaged areas to prevent further degradation and ensure the safety of those using the surface. One company that specializes in asphalt repair is our F-System app. They offer a range of tools and equipment for repairing asphalt, including asphalt cutters, snow scrapers, and asphalt buckets. These tools are designed to make the repair process as efficient and effective as possible, allowing for quick and easy repairs that minimize disruption to traffic and other activities. Asphalt cutters are one of the primary tools used for repairing asphalt. These tools are designed to cut through the damaged asphalt, allowing it to be removed and replaced with fresh material. These tools are designed to make the repair process as efficient and effective as possible, allowing for quick and easy repairs that minimize disruption to traffic and other activities. Asphalt cutters are one of the primary tools used for repairing asphalt. These tools are designed to cut through the damaged asphalt, allowing it to be removed and replaced with fresh material. Our F-System app offers a range of asphalt cutters in various sizes and configurations to suit different applications. Whether you need to remove a small section of damaged asphalt or a larger area, they have a cutter that can get the job done. Snow scrapers are another important tool for asphalt repair. These tools are used to clear away snow and other debris from the surface before repairs can be made. This ensures that the repair area is clean and free of any obstructions that could interfere with the repair process. Our F-System app offers a range of snow scrapers in various sizes and configurations to suit different applications. In addition to these tools, our System app also offers a range of other equipment and accessories for asphalt repair. This includes everything from vibratory plate compactors to asphalt mixers and rollers. With this comprehensive range of tools and equipment, they can provide everything you need to repair asphalt surfaces of all kinds. Asphalt repair is an important process for maintaining safe and functional surfaces with the right tools and equipment like those offered by our F-System app. This process can be made quick and efficient, allowing for minimal disruption to traffic and other activities. Whether you're repairing a small section of damaged asphalt or a larger area, our F-System app has the tools you need to get the job done. Maxwell Products Gapmastic is a reliable solution for repairing wide cracks in asphalt pavement. One of the unique features of this product is its ability to accommodate excessive movement, making it highly versatile for various types of pavement distress. Gapmastic can be used for repairing fatigue cracking or alligator cracking. which is a common form of pavement distress caused by repeated traffic loading. Depressions and deterioration around concrete structures, such as drains, manhole covers, and gutters, can also be repaired using gap mastic. The product is highly flexible, making it suitable for use in areas with high traffic volumes, where pavement movement and expansion are more prevalent. When repairing a wide crack with gap mastic, the area first needs to be cleaned and dried to ensure maximum adhesion. The product can be applied using a trowel or a spatula, and any excess material should be removed using a putty knife or a scraper. After application, the repaired area needs to be allowed to cure for a specified period before it is ready for traffic. Gap mastic is an excellent choice for repairing wide asphalt pavement cracks. Its flexibility, versatility, and durability make it a reliable solution for repairing various types of pavement distress. When used correctly, gap mastic can help extend the life of asphalt pavements and reduce the need for costly replacements. The video showcases the effectiveness of Ultracrete Instant Road Repair, a product by Instarmet Group plc, in repairing roads in hot temperatures like those experienced in Malaysia during the summer months. The demonstration highlights the product's ease of use, indicating that it can be applied with minimal effort. The product is designed to provide a permanent repair solution for potholes, which are a common problem in many countries worldwide, particularly during seasonal temperature changes. With its ability to withstand high temperatures, Ultracrete Instant Road Repair is an ideal solution for countries with hot climates. The video ends with an invitation to contact Instarmet Group plc's email address worldwide at instarmac.co.uk for more information. This gesture reflects the company's commitment to its customers and their satisfaction, as well as its willingness to provide support for those seeking more information about the product. The video is a useful resource for anyone looking for a reliable solution for repairing roads in hot climates like Malaysia, and it demonstrates the effectiveness of Ultracrete Instant Road Repair. All States Coatings Company has developed a solution for the severely gatored area of a subdivision road in Texas. Their Gator 8 application is designed to repair and restore damaged pavement, specifically addressing the problem of gatoring, a type of cracking that resembles the scaly skin of an alligator. This solution is particularly important for subdivision roads, which often experience heavy traffic but may not receive the same level of maintenance as major highways. When pavement is not properly maintained, it can develop cracks and potholes that can lead to safety hazards for drivers and pedestrians alike. The Gator 8 application offers an efficient and cost-effective solution for these types of situations. The application process is simple and fast, which minimizes disruption to traffic and reduces the amount of time that the road is closed. The result is a smooth, even surface that is durable and long-lasting, providing a safer driving experience for all who use the road. Allstate's Coatings Company's gatoring application is a valuable solution for the problem of gatoring on subdivision roads. With its simple application process and long-lasting results, it is a cost-effective way to maintain the safety and integrity of these important thoroughfares. Gevico Markings Chip Fill is an innovative solution for repairing cracks and smaller potholes in roads. Traditional cold-applied repair systems can be less effective than chip fill because they do not bond as well to the underlying asphalt. Chip fill is a hot-applied thermoplastic that uses a unique binder to create a strong bond with the asphalt. This material has been designed specifically to repair cracks and smaller holes with a diameter of around 15 to 20 centimeters. It can be used to prevent defects from getting larger, which is important in maintaining the integrity of roads and ensuring safety for drivers. The thermoplastic is heated and then applied to the affected area. The heat causes the binders in the material to bond to the bitumen in the asphalt. This creates a strong and durable repair that is able to withstand heavy traffic and harsh weather conditions. One of the major benefits of using chip fill is that it can be applied quickly and efficiently. The material is heated and then poured directly into the crack or hole, filling the area completely. Once it cools, it forms a hard, stable surface that is ready for use. This means that repairs can be made quickly, reducing the time that roads need to be closed for maintenance, and minimizing the disruption to traffic. Another benefit of chip fill is its long lifespan. This material is designed to last for many years, even in areas with heavy traffic. This means that repairs made with chip fill are a cost-effective solution in the long run, as they do not need to be replaced as frequently as traditional cold-applied repair systems. Chip fill is an excellent solution for repairing cracks and smaller potholes in roads. Its unique design allows it to create a strong bond with the asphalt, ensuring a long-lasting and effective repair. It is also easy to apply and cost-effective, making it an ideal choice for road maintenance professionals. ReadyPave Ltd. is a company that specializes in the installation of bespoke pattern and printed concrete, stamped concrete driveways. In a behind-the-scenes video, the company showcases the full installation process of a bespoke driveway. The video takes the viewer through the process of removing an existing driveway, excavating the area, preparing the ground, laying the concrete, coloring the concrete to a bespoke shade, stamping the pattern, and finally sealing the pattern and printed concrete, a stamped concrete driveway. These techniques are commonly used for the installation of driveways, paths, or patios. The video begins by showing the need for a new driveway to create extra parking space. This is a common reason for homeowners to consider having a new driveway installed. The video then moves on to show the delivery of the stone and the removal of the spoil, which is necessary to prepare the site for the new driveway. This step is important to ensure a stable and level base for the concrete. Once the area has been excavated and prepared, the concrete is laid on a polythene membrane. This is an essential step to prevent moisture from the ground penetrating the concrete and causing damage over time. The polythene membrane acts as a barrier and helps to prolong the lifespan of the driveway. as the concrete is laid. The edges are troweled to ensure a smooth and even finish. This is a crucial step in the installation process as it creates the edges of the driveway and ensures a neat and tidy appearance. The video then shows how multiple colors can be blended to create an individual effect. This is a popular option for homeowners who want a unique look for their driveway. By blending multiple colors, the driveway can be tailored to match the aesthetics of the home and surroundings. Once the pattern is complete, the surface is cleaned and dried in preparation for the next stage. This is where the sealing of the pattern imprinted concrete, a stamped concrete driveway, takes place. The video shows the use of a solvent-based acrylic sealant with a slip-resistant additive. This is important as it not only protects the surface from damage, but also makes it safer to walk on. Especially when wet, the sealant helps to protect the surface from the effects of weather, UV rays, and SDA. Finally, the job is complete. The new bespoke pattern imprinted concrete, stamped concrete driveway is ready for use. The video showcases the finished product, highlighting how the driveway has been transformed from a plain concrete surface into a unique and attractive feature of the property. The driveway not only provides additional parking space, but also adds value to the home. The installation of a bespoke pattern imprinted concrete, stamped concrete driveway is a skilled and intricate process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. Ready Pave Limited has demonstrated their expertise in this field through the behind-the-scenes video of a full installation. Homeowners who are considering having a new driveway installed can use this video as a guide to understand the process and the steps involved. By choosing a reputable and experienced company like Ready Pave Limited, homeowners can ensure that their new driveway is not only functional, but also a beautiful and lasting addition to their home. Mr. Manhole is a revolutionary repair system that offers a faster, smarter, and safer way to repair manholes. The system was introduced in 2002 to provide a state-of-the-art set of tools and repair methods that make manhole removal and repair more efficient and secure. section has been rebuilt. The Mr. Manhole frame replacement system can be used to replace the manhole. With hundreds of satisfied customers around the world, the Mr. Manhole system is quickly becoming the go-to solution for manhole repairs.